Imagine your life is this beautiful garden and you have all these weeds growing up. Some therapeutic models, while are helpful at maintaining the garden, are like weed whackers. They never really get to the root of why those weeds are growing to begin with. Our goal here is to get to the root. You're unique. Your treatment should be too. That's why we need so many different kinds of therapeutic models, because one is not going to be the best fit for everybody.
Every single practitioner who comes and joins has their own background and specialty. So we have several therapists, for example, who are trained in therapeutic modalities like EMDR, OEI, IFS, lens neurofeedback. So I think the fact that we're multifaceted, we can really adapt.
The Brain Bar is a one-stop shop for your mind-body connection. While we do treat symptoms of trauma and nervous system dysregulation, we also see clients who don't want to do any talk therapy, but want to optimize their nervous system response. So we see athletes, CEOs of big corporations, people who are struggling with public speaking. My goal when I work with clients is to help them achieve their goals, what they believe a thriving life will look and feel like.
We are so relationally driven, every single one of us. It's palatable when you come in and you spend time with us as therapists.
The type of energy that we try to create is a really warm, cozy, non-clinical vibe.
It starts with that environment where it feels safe and secure, allows us to do that really deep work.
The clinicians that work with our clients, they really believe in healing, that it should be something that is long-lasting.
I want every client that I work with to eventually say goodbye and to say thank you. I can navigate this world. I can regulate my nervous system. And I have healed in ways where I don't need you anymore because I'm so capable.
Sometimes we celebrate and we dance and we laugh and we're excited together because these are huge milestones.
If you're not feeling your best or you're recognizing that there's something that you are looking to change and achieve, to grow, to heal, this is a great opportunity.